Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick. It's called gauge block ringing. And you can do this with several blocks, and it's a neat little trick. You take two gauge blocks, you've got to make sure they're perfectly clean. You rub them together and twist, and they stick together. All right, so that's two stuck together. Take this one. Now, if you're asking how is that stuck together, it's not magnetic. What it actually is that you're removing the air between the blocks. The blocks have got a mirror finish. There's your mirror finish. All right? And it sticks quite tight. So just by pushing them together like that and just twisting it like that, it removes all the air in between, and they're like as if they're magnetic. It is unbelievable. So that's how accurate these gauge blocks are.